Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice. Start by cooking rice a day ahead and refrigerating it to dry the grains for better texture. Prep everything before the pan gets hot so you can move fast once cooking begins. Use a wide pan, high heat, and an oil with a high smoke point. Keep ingredients moving for even browning and separate grains. Gather cooked rice, eggs, scallions, soy sauce, and your choice of protein like chicken or shrimp, all prepped and ready. Use a ratio of roughly 2 cups of rice to 1 egg and 1 cup of vegetables for each 2 servings. Toast aromatics briefly, then add rice and sauce in stages to coat grains evenly. Finish with sesame oil and adjust salt to taste. Heat your wok or large skillet until very hot, then add oil and swirl to coat the surface evenly for immediate sear. Push ingredients to the side, scramble eggs quickly, then reincorporate rice to combine textures. Add sauces incrementally and keep tossing to prevent clumping, creating separate grains and smoky flavor. Taste and adjust with more soy or a pinch of sugar to balance savory notes. For best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.